Good morning. Welcome back to Ecocentric. I wanted to collect some lettuce for a salad today. They're forecasting the rain to start any time, and I think I just filled a couple of little tiny pecks. But we're going to harvest lettuce first. We're going to harvest it separately because I am recording everything that I harvest. This bed, this is where the carrots are growing, and it's time now. The carrots are up and the lettuce is up high enough. They're interfering with each other. So I'm going to take out all the lettuce in this bed, as well as the lamb's quarter. I'm going to take that in and add to my salad as well. So hopefully I can get this done before the rain starts. I have another plant here that maybe I'll let that one grow and see how he grows. It's some kind of a green, I'm thinking maybe arugula. Can't quite remember now what arugula looks like. Normally when I'm weeding, I would shake the soil off the roots, but because I'm collecting lettuce, then if I shake the soil off the roots, I'll have soil flying and it will get over the other lettuce, and then I'd have dirty lettuce. I can reach in halfway. I'll come around the other side to get what I can't reach. I picked a couple of tiny ones, but I think I'll leave the tiny ones for now, let them grow a bit more. Yeah, I got a really sneaky suspicion that that's arugula. Good harvest of lettuce for today. Now you can see the carrots better. There is some lettuce that wasn't interfering with the carrots yet, so I've left them to grow larger. Now this is something best done just before the rain. Thinning out, this is rutabaga or turnip. Basically, if you're going to be thinning out your vegetables, it's best to do it just before a rain. And so we're going to get in and see what ones I want to pick out here. I don't know how many I'm going to get until I actually go through it all. So that's the turnip greens harvest. I may or may not thin them out again. I think there's a couple places where the rutabaga were still small, and when they get up bigger I'll take a couple out. But that's what I got. Add to my salad, I'm going to take one branch of this and I'll take off the leaves and cut them up and add to my salad to add a celery flavor to it. And I'll take a handful of chives. Now let's wander around the garden and see what else we want to collect for a salad. I just put these all in one bowl and mark them as salad greens. Right here, this is the wood sorrel. So with the lemony type flavor, same as any other sorrel really. And there's a couple of lamb's quarter there, but I can take some of the leaves from the peas. I'm only taking a little bit of each thing because I'm making a salad for myself, right? And I don't need very much. Take a little bit of each thing, and very many things, and you got a lot after a while. Oregano. This is Greek oregano. So I'll just take a bunch like that, and I'll strip the leaves off and discard the stem. I have my perennial onions that all seem to want to go to flower. I'll take a couple of tops of that. I got 3 radishes. So I know what to do now. As soon as the ground can be worked, I'll plant my radishes, and they'll come up whenever they're ready to come up, when the ground gets warm enough, etc., etc. The other thing is I can cut off this spinach. I don't know exactly how to harvest spinach, right? This is a narrow bed, so I can put my feet across. I'm just going to take the outside leaves like this, and then that should grow up again, one would assume. And I almost forgot. It is necessary that I take up this entire plant, this mustard green here, because it's going to flower. Weed out this onion bed again, but that'll probably be tomorrow. I'll leave them there for now. And we have arugula. But in the meantime, you know what? I don't want these mustard greens here. So I got more already, but I want these out of it. So up they come. This is actually a first for me. Flea beetle damage. That's something I don't get. It's a weak plant here. But yeah, I'm going to collect some of these, and that'll be it for the video. I'll do a closing when I put the new battery in. Arugula. That's going to be a big salad for me. Due to planting earlier than what is traditional for my area and letting a couple of plants go to seed last year, I'm going to have a lot of salad greens for this year. It's exciting, and it's a learning for next year. Those radishes, those 3 radishes, I could never get radishes to grow when I plant them traditional time, 1st of June. They started to bolt, and you noticed I think one of them already did start to bolt over there. But if I plant them back in early May, then I'm thinking possibly now I can get radishes. And then of course once they're growing, I'd preserve them, either pickled or free or frozen or whatever. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope to see you in the next one.